Hi, I'm glad to see you again today. Thought today we'd do something a little bit different.
Welcome back to A Lost Company. I'm AJ and I'm going to be attempting a Bob Ross painting. Attempting, because I don't know how to do this.
I'm going to start today with a small amount of Indian yellow, like so. And we'll just start and just drag a little color across, like that.
How to make Indian yellow? Chalk a bit of... Alright, oh no, as you can see, I've already up a little bit because it has a bunch of colors, but here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, I don't care. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is there a bit of green in this? That's because I forgot to clean the brush. Now, one thing, if you're painting, ever, you have to trust the process, even if you think which you might be. Believe in yourself that you know what you're doing. In reality, you probably don't, but that's okay. Oh.
I'm going to go right up above the yellow and just begin laying that in.
That didn't work. Blue on the top. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more red. This looks doable.
I'm just going to add a little bit of that same color down here into the water, like that.
Why is his one so much softer than mine?
I'm sure he isn't using dollar store paintbrushes.
No, he's not.
Now then, let's have a big mountain that lives. There he goes, right about here.
Yeah, this looks about right. Alright, we don't need tools. I'm gonna eyeball this.
And maybe here, let's do this. Let's get brave today. Maybe this big son of a gun just comes right on down.
I kind of don't want to cover it now because I put a lot of effort into this side, and now I have to cover it up.
Let's have right in here. Let's have some beautiful, beautiful little bushes and trees. Just tap. Use the corner of the brush and tap quite firmly.
Now he adds a tree on the side, so this whole side was pointless? Why? Oh, damn it, okay.
You're having fun though.
Yeah, I actually kind of like you. It's good. I mean, this is not my ideal setting to paint, but... Oh boy, I have to add a tree now. I'm kind of nervous about that. We can do this, we can do this. Hey, that actually works. Just smudging it like that, kind of.
So after your experience, would you recommend other people?
No. Save yourself time. Go to the market, buy yourself a painting. Seriously. There's professionals that do this stuff. There's a reason why they're professionals, because they know how to do this stuff properly. Otherwise, you're getting this. I mean, if that's your thing, if you're into something like this, then might as well give it a shot. But I would recommend, you know what? Go for it, I think. I don't know. Up to you.
Here. There.
Stroking it sideways. Oops.
AJ, stop. Don't say stroking the side.
What? How else am I going to describe it? Oh dear. Does it look like water now? Wait, what else do I need to add? A lot more bushes. I think we're done after that. I'm trying to make a concoction of... The paint's starting to smell like food now. Is it the turpentine, you reckon? Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I did my best. Bye.